Hello everybody, we're getting ready to do lesson 7.2 of Geometry 1 Math, Part 1. Here is our 7.2 Similar Polygons, Part 1. Here are our standards for this lesson. We got a 36-point skill sheet and then a 10-point note-taking guide. Teachers, here is our homework, or rather our bell work for today. Decimal, divide, and then decide whether this is a polygon. If so, tell what type. If not, explain why. Give your students 5 minutes for this. Okay, welcome back. No, the sides are not segments. So we have a curvature here, so that would make it not a polygon. And then the 7.35 divided by this would be 49. So what you should have gotten, students. Okay, into our lesson. In geometry, two figures that have the same shape are called similar. Two polygons are similar polygons if corresponding sides are congruent and corresponding side lengths are proportional. In the diagram, ABCD is similar to EFGH. The symbol tilde indicates similarity. So you can write ABCD tilde EFGH when you refer to similar polygons. List their corresponding vertices in the same order. Here's that tilde here, and it's a tilde is what that is, a tilde. Okay, students, in your own words, define these two terms here, similar polygons, and if you haven't learned that one yet, pay attention for that. Again, these are similar. Corresponding angles now, angle A and angle E, angle A, angle E, angle B, angle F, angle C and angle G, angle D and angle H. Those will be corresponding angles. And then ratios of the corresponding sides. This is how we would figure similarity, is by constructing a ratio between EF, and over AB, and then etc. FG, BC, GH, CD, HE over DA, HE over DA. Okay, example 1. Use similarity statements. So triangle PRQ is similar to STU, so these are similar. List all pairs of congruent angles. So here are congruent angles here. Angle P is congruent to S. So R is congruent to T, and then Q is congruent to U. Those will be congruent. Write the ratios of the corresponding sides in the statement of proportionality. So ST over PR equals TU over RQ equals US over QP. That would be the corresponding sides in the statement of proportionality. This would be a statement of proportionality here. If these were all equal to each other, these triangles would be similar. Check the ratios of corresponding sides are equal, so we go through, everything's 4 over 5. From those statements, ST over PR, ST over PR would be 8 over 10, which is 4 over 5. So they're all 4 over 5, so they're similar. The ratios of all corresponding sides are equal to 4 over 5. Now we get to do one here. So triangle ABC is similar to LMN. Write the ratios of the corresponding sides in the statement of proportionality. Students, find X here by using a proportion. Okay, our guided practice, 2 points, 4 points. Answer sheet. If you need more room, include that with your classwork sheets and staple it and hand it in. If you're online, make sure that is taken a picture of and hand it in. Okay, so for down here, we're going to find X. Students, this is your lucky day. This is your independent practice. We set up a proportion here. BC over MN. MN is 27. X over 27 would equal 20 over 15. 20 over 15, and then we just cross multiply here, and then we solve for x. X will equal 36 by using the proportion there, and then up here is the statement of proportionality here. for these two triangles here. Okay, scale factor. Here's your notes for your definition, terminology. If two polygons are similar, the ratio of the lengths of the two corresponding sides is called scale factor. So we have angles here that are congruent with each other. There's similar angles here. Scale factor of VFG to ABCD would be here. Here's your scale factor here. So that is your scale factor. Then the ratio of the lengths of two corresponding sides is called the scale factor. So one of these, if they're similar, will be equal to the rest of these. Example 2, determine whether polygons are similar. We have these two here. If they are similar, write a similarity statement. Find the scale factor of figure B to figure A. So figure B to figure A, and we have measurements here. So how do we do that? Check whether the corresponding angles are congruent. From the diagram, you can see angle G is congruent to M, angle G is congruent to M, etc. here. Therefore, the corresponding angles are congruent. Check corresponding sides are proportional. Well, okay, we're going to do that here. And then here's our proportionality statement. They all are 4/3 proportional to. This is their proportionality. All three ratios are equal, so the corresponding side lengths are proportional here. So we have KL over HJ, and it's 4/3 is what that would be. By definition, the triangles are similar. GHJ is similar to MKL, and the scale factor is 4/3. Now our guided practice. Students, this is yours unless you get lucky. We're going to do our guided practice first. So, no, students, you get your independent. No. If they are similar, they're not similar. So we have a 5/6 and we have a 2/3. UV over RQ is 2/3, and TU over PQ is 5/6. So the corresponding sides are not proportional here. These are not similar. And then up here, yes. So we have these here. I mean, we have angles, designations here that show that they are congruent. And the scale factor here is 3/2 for that. So that proves there by this situation here that these are similar. Okay, that was 7.3, I think. 7.2, I'm sorry, part 1. Part 2, part 3 is available here as well as everything else. Thank you very much.